We have 3 months left in this year and I want to finish the year off strong. I want to become the best version of myself, so I'm planning my goals with the 12-week year method. Welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alexandra and on this channel I'm taking you on the journey of becoming the best version of myself and hopefully inspiring you guys out there to do the same. So if you've been here before, you've seen my previous 12-week year planning videos, and this is my October plan with me within the 12-week year. I do have a free Notion template that you can use to plan your goals. It's gonna be linked in the description down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into my Notion template and start planning. So here you can see the template. In case you're new, I'm giving you a quick overview. So there's the vision section, aspirational vision, 3-year vision and 1-year goals. I filled that out, but I'm keeping that private for now. And then we have the 12-week goals. So my goal number 1 is reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So in case you haven't subscribed yet, you could help me out with this goal and subscribe completely for free. So goal number 2 is about physical health, and goal number 3 is to read 3 non-fiction books. So the month September, I will give you a quick overview before we jump into planning October. So here you can see right off the bat, it looks really good. I did my content calendar September, but I wanted it to fill out more. I wanted to post more, so I didn't check this off because I, in my terms, technically didn't complete it. Very good on the physical health goal and the reading goal in all of those weeks. Week 2 for goal number 1, my subscriber goal, I wanted to update thumbnails. I did update thumbnails, but not every thumbnail, and I wanted to update more, so again this is like partially done. Then week 4, I took a break from posting daily on TikTok. In case you haven't seen my previous videos, I started the 75 medium challenge on September 1st, and I document this journey with daily updates on TikToks, little vlogs on what workout I do, what I eat, and basically all my 75 medium goals. And I took a bit of a break last week, so I didn't fully achieve this goal, but it's okay. Then we have the daily tracker. Let's start with week 1, which looked very good. I have 2 rest days in my week in case I need them. Again, week 2 looks really good. Week 3, a lot of hundreds, really good. And then week 4, of course, as I mentioned, I took the break from TikTok. So I haven't completed everything here, but my other goals all checked off. So that was a pretty good month comparing to my first month of this planning session, August, which wasn't a good month. But that was all in the past, and now we start planning October. Also, if you've never seen my 12-week year planning videos with this template, I'm gonna link my original video that I posted where I go into a bit more detail about the template in case you need any help with that. So that's this week. For this week, I actually have the goal of uploading 2 YouTube videos because it's gonna be my week 4 vlog of the 75 medium challenge and this planning video that I'm filming right now. So the 75 medium should come out today. I still need to edit it, so I'm a bit of a time crunch. And this one, I'm filming this on October 2nd and it should be out this weekend. So we have uploaded 2 YouTube videos. I'm back with my daily TikToks. This one I can copy and paste for all the other weeks, so then it's just gonna be 1 YouTube video and the daily TikToks. This week I also need to complete my October content calendar. And for the week 4, track analytics. In week 2 I want to complete a couple of learnings from vidIQ. And week 3 probably the same. Let's copy that again here. So these are roughly my goals. I should be posting more on social media and not only the daily TikToks for the 75 medium challenge, but it's a lot going on right now, but we'll see when I complete my content calendar what I can fit in there. For my physical health, I have the 5 workouts per week. So this is one of my 75 medium goals, same with the 8 to 10,000 steps per day. Then I need to meal prep. So these are things I'm gonna do in all the weeks. I'm not putting in my more daily goals like the 8 to 10,000 steps and drinking 2 to 3 liters of water, because these are gonna be in the habit tracker. And for goal number 3, we have read 10 pages of a non-fiction book daily. And that I can copy for all the weeks. I forgot to give you a quick update on my goals, so let's come back to this section real quick. My goal number 1, I already mentioned, it's to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I haven't told you. At the moment of recording this, I have 613 subscribers. This is my last month of this 12-week year, and so I still need to get roughly 400 subscribers in 1 month, which is gonna be difficult, but with staying delusional, maybe it will happen. Help me out. And for goal 2, physical health, it's going good so far because I started the 75 medium challenge. This is really helping me stay on track with my fitness goals. I lost roughly 3 kilograms in the first month, which is great. And for the goal number 3, 3 non-fiction books, let me check my Goodreads, but I finished 2 books so far. So I'm definitely gonna achieve this goal because I'm already pretty far in my 3rd book. The first non-fiction book I read in this challenge is Sell It Like Sirhand. I gave you an update about these books in my 75 medium week 3, I believe. But I don't think I've talked about these in the planning videos, so in case you're interested, Ryan Sirhand, if you don't know him, he's a realtor in New York City. He has a YouTube channel and does these crazy property tours. And this book, it's Sell It Like Sirhand, How to Sell More, Earn More, and Become the Ultimate Sales Machine. So if you're not in sales, this is probably not going to be very interesting for you. Also, if you're in sales but in a different industry, I'm not a realtor myself, but I've followed Ryan Sirhand for a long time now, and I had this book for quite a while, and I finally read it. It was a good book, but as I mentioned, if you're not in sales, and also if you're in sales but have zero interest in like his realtor stories, stuff like that, then you're probably not gonna like it. But it's still a good book, although some advice is not really for me because his schedule is insane. It feels like he doesn't get much sleep, and that is not for me because I already struggle with my sleep schedule and sleep quality. So his schedule is definitely not for me, but that's fine. You don't have to take everything from the book. The second book I finished was 4,000 Weeks Time Management for Mortals by Oliver Burkeman. And to be honest, I don't know what went wrong with me reading this book, because I felt like every time I opened this book and read my 10 pages per day, my brain shut off. Because I couldn't tell you a lot of the things he talked about in these 250 pages. I don't know why, but it felt like a summary of all the studies and stories. It didn't grab my attention really. But these are the 2 books I finished so far. The current book I'm reading, which I'm already more than halfway through, is Chillpreneur by Denise Duffield Thomas. It's a good book. I've read another book by her already, so I was looking forward to this one, and so far it's a good book and I definitely enjoy it way more than the 4,000 Weeks. So we are for sure gonna finish this in the challenge, so goal number 3 is easy. And then let's move on. Let's jump back to the daily tracker. This is a template button, so it creates the daily tracker when you click here. And I wanted to show you because as you can see, it's empty. For my previous months, I had my daily habits listed out. And you can just fill them out if they change depending on the week, but I wanted to show you because I don't think I showed this in the previous videos. In case you want to create your daily tracker pre-filled so you don't have to repeat all your daily tasks week by week, you can change it in the template. So you click on this edit button here and just fill in your daily goals here. So for me, I have engagement routine, meaning I need to comment and be active on social media. Also, I'm just going to change like a setting. I don't want to show the page icons because they are not necessary in this tracker for me. So if you unclick the show page icon, it removes this page right here. Then we have post TikTok. Then we have the workout, the 8K to 10K steps, drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day, gratitude journal, my 10 pages of non-fiction, and my night routine. And then you just press done and it saves. And if I create a daily tracker now, I already have it pre-filled, so I can delete this one and call it daily tracker week 1. Since we're already on Thursday, so October started Wednesday, but I didn't create another daily tracker for 2 days in September. So this is September 29th, 30th, October 1st, and this is Thursday. So I posted my TikTok yesterday, I did my workout, I did my steps, drank my water, gratitude journal, 10 pages. Yeah, I did these 2. This was still my TikTok break, but I did my engagement routine. So week 1 looking good already. I still need to do my tasks on Thursday, but I'm filming this Thursday morning, so we still have a bit of time. So this was it, planning my 3rd month of the 12-week year. As a reminder, you can use the Notion template for free in the description down below. And in case you use it and you want to post your goals or your planning process on social media, please feel free to tag me. I would love to support you and cheer you on your goals. See you in my next video.